What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Frankie here, bringing you a brand new video, and today I'm playing Animal Crossing with
Lucretia!
Alright, so we're playing with Lucretia, and we're gonna go to Latte, and we're going to do what?
Clean up my turnips that I did not sell last week.
Okay, so let me go ahead and empty out my pockets so that I can have some room to help.
No, don't do that.
Why not? I have no room. I literally have like...
Well, keep your tools and you can just drop it in a section and then...
No, yeah, I'll do that. I just have... I have not played in... I don't know, it's been a couple of days. I have fossils, I've got pears, peaches,
and bears are mine.
A tambourine. Do you have a tambourine?
Do I have a tambourine or did I give you my tambourine?
No. Did you gave me a tambourine already? Because I bought 2 the other day at Nook's Cranny, just in case. Because I don't remember if it was that or what was it? Was it something else? Wasn't it something else?
I've lost track.
Okay, what is this? Clothes closet? Okay. Pockets.
Are the shops still open? What time is it?
Yeah, so a few
Nook's
minutes.
Cranny's still open.
I bought a computer server at Nook's Cranny.
Oh my god.
It was huge. It was like 100,000 bells.
Oh my god, my pockets are full of rotten turnips.
Orange hat DIY.
Light switches? Wait, what time is it? What time is it?
It's 9:43.
Oh my god, oh my goodness.
What?
There's a popcorn machine that I want to buy, but I have no room in my pockets and all my money is in the bank.
Okay, so go get it real quick. You have time.
But I have to empty out my pockets. Hey, Eugene, what
Just
did you
empty out a few stuff.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go get some money. There are weeds everywhere. Oh my god, you're gonna come to my island? It's like under construction. I'm gonna go get that construction sign and place it out front before you come.
I got some.
Hello?
I'm right here.
Oh.
Where are you?
Right here?
Yeah, so
Maybe.
Kat's birthday is the 27th. We have to make sure we're there for that.
Birthday is
the 25th, you said, right?
the what?
The 25th.
Yeah.
So we gotta do Bertha's birthday and Kat's birthday.
Can't miss him. We missed Charlize's birthday.
Are you serious?
On the 17th.
Oh my gosh. What is
I
this?
feel so bad.
Thermostat?
She was my first resident.
An intercom monitor? I've never heard of
I want to buy these light switches.
I literally have a rock climbing wall here.
I have one too. Remember my pink one? What color is yours?
Aqua. It's like an aqua green.
Ooh.
Do you have a guitar? Electric bass.
I have that.
Okay, I think I have this too. I'm not gonna buy it.
I think you gave it to one of your residents as a gift.
No, I didn't give it. I gave him the black jacket. Rasher? In the video. Oh my gosh, my chair, please stop.
I need you to move so I can buy this, thank you.
You said your gate's open, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on 1 second.
Man, I can't believe, like, it's been like 2 weeks since we posted a video.
I know. You're slipping!
Well, an Animal Crossing video, but... here. I'm ready to clean up a dirty island. Oh, look at this one that I got.
Oh my god, I like that one. Wait, look at this one that I got. I gotta find it. Which one is it? Oh no, I don't know which one it is. Oh.
Are you chuckling?
It's called. What is it called? Hold on. What is it called? That's so
I want
funny.
the other
It's
one
called
that you have so bad.
sheepishness. Which one?
Where like your eyes are like squinted and you look down.
It's called smirking.
Where do you think that vapor trail leads? Some days I wish I could just fly wherever my magic takes me. Why? Why? Hello, look at me when you talk to me, please. I think Eugene just said he wants to leave.
What? You're lying.
He said something about flying away. Oh my gosh, I didn't put... Dang it. The stuff I bought, I didn't put... I didn't put... Oh, because I'm in the plaza. Where can I put my stuff at? I'm putting it right here. Do I need any of my tools to get around?
No, not on my island, Poppy.
Alright, where are you? You like left me. I'm on my own over here. Oh my gosh.
I had like 3 trips worth.
Oh no. Look at all these chocolate covered turnips.
And
I'm surprised you have no ants.
I did, but they went away.
I mean, I wouldn't know about ants because I always saw my turnips.
Yeah, sure you wouldn't.
I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna collect more turnips than you. Oh no, your pockets are full. Mine aren't yet. Oh, I'm too behind. Dang, how many can I pick up? What's going on here?
It's 40 if you have nothing in your pockets. This is definitely better than doing it on myself.
Should I toss something? Yeah. Alright, where are the other ones?
We've got them all.
That's it?
Yeah.
You made it seem like we had so many.
I just didn't want to do this by myself.
Oh my gosh. Bye-bye.
On my screen, I like glitched while the door is closing. I can't even walk in there. There we go.
Welcome to my home. I'm wondering, Frankie, do you know what the most popular local fruit is on Latte? Oh, you just glitched. You like ninja flew from behind me all the way to the chair. Oh my gosh. I'm impressed. Friends always ask if I can bring them some oranges from Latte. I'd love for you to have a taste. Really? Well, what's up with the oranges then? Where are they? She looks like a mochi. Like a mochi ice cream.
Oh my god. Her name is Flurry.
I know.
She's my favorite. I gave her that dress she's wearing. Where'd you go?
I disappeared.
Did you go next door?
No.
Hello? Huh?
No.
Where'd you go?
What do you think of my place? Make yourself comfy.
You did go next door.
You know Lucretia from this island? They've got a title that's real cool. Their title is Accomplished Wallflower. I bet Lucretia likes it when folks call them by that special title. I like it when folks call me the... I literally can't even read that word. Viciosi Master? Vichysssoise. What is this, a spelling bee? I like their house.
Punchy.
Punchy, yeah. See,
Oh my gosh, look, he's a cat and he has cat grass over here.
That's funny. I like this, like, the only thing I don't like is, like, the floor. You could change the flooring, but, like, the color, like, everything is so cohesive. What is happening? Yo, welcome. Relax and make yourself at home. Hey! You haven't seen the museum here yet. The exhibit room is huge, and there's so much stuff to see there. Huh? What do I do there? Well, it's a good spot to hang out when I'm too sore from working out. Oh, we both was able to walk out at the same time.
Oh my gosh, look at all these weeds. Look at all these weeds, and I cleared out the weeds before time and time again. Oh, come to the middle. I want to show you this person's house. Come up the stairs.
Well, hey there, Frankie. What brings you to our island?
Hello, come up the
I just
stairs.
patrolled the island for any shady characters, so you can set your mind at ease. That's all. Well, I am up the stairs. I'm by the playground.
No, come down to the middle ground.
I ran over the black flower.
Babe.
Where are you? What's going on? Where are we going? There's too much going on in here. I don't know what I'm looking at. This is worse than Rasher's place. There's so much crap here. What's in these boxes, first of all?
That's his bed. It's a cardboard,
Stop
or is it a cardboard couch? It's a cardboard couch. I'm
trying to get off. Hey, thanks for coming by. Question for you, kiddo. Do you know what kind of fruit they grow here on Latte? Why is everybody asking me that? Is that right? Oranges. Well, I should have known that you'd know. Well, let me know how they taste if you end up trying one. The only thing in here that I like is the basketball hoop, which takes up like 1/4 the room.
He has a street light, a phone booth, a scooter, a bicycle.
Yeah, it's like city life, kind of like Rasher's
just
place.
Some beans in the corner, a cone, an old barrel of I don't know what. Not finding it. Anyways, his name is Bruce. I've been wanting to show you his place for the longest.
What up? What up?
I've been wanting to show you his place for the longest. I just realized I have not been inside Chai's house. Where'd you go, Poppy?
I'm at your house.
I have stuff all on the floor.
Oh, this is nice. Is this sushi? When did you get that?
That's the stuff you get from Chai.
Oh. Wait, I
Wait, let
haven't
me
visited
see.
Chai. Is Chai on your island?
Yeah, she's out and about. Wait, what are you looking at?
I was sitting on a little chair, and this is the
Oh,
sushi.
no, this is from the cherry blossom.
You literally went ahead and like did the whole glitch thing again. So when you watch that back, you're gonna laugh.
Come over here. You seen this stuff?
No, I
This
haven't.
is from Chai that you can order. Take a screenshot. Oh,
Wait. Wait, now they're on.
wait, me too. Oh no, not that one. Hold on. I'm gonna do the one that you like. Got it. Okay. So nothing's majorly done near to my island. It's under construction. Thank you.
Can I pick these two?
Yeah. No, what are you picking?
Why is this poor rose just over here by itself?
I picked that from someone's island. It's an orange rose.
This is all my stuff?
No, this is my stuff.
Oh. No! What are you doing? Seriously? Can you stop? It looked like you pooped that out, literally.
So I'm building this over here, and I'm gonna make like waterfalls and stuff, and the museum's gonna go on top of here, and I'm gonna add a staircase and everything.
Where are you? I don't see you.
In front of residential services.
Show me again. Where were you talking about?
Up here, you see these stairs here? There's gonna be stairs on this side going up, and then I'm gonna make this whole like thing bigger and make it look like a restaurant.
Oh.
And then I'm gonna move my museum to the side.
What is she doing here? Not selling anything?
You know, you have to do like something for him, and she gives you a ticket. I'm trying to find Chai. Where's Chai at? Is she just go home already? Is she sleeping? Let me go check before you leave. We should go visit a random person's island. We should go dreaming and visit a random person's island.
Right now?
What do you think? Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to.
And see how cool their island is. Out playing.
Will it take us both to the same island or no?
If we put in the same dream address.
Oh, I found
so you
her.
can go on. Where is she?
By your festival stuff. Hi, where's your house? Oh, you're just visiting. I'm Chai. BT dubs. Really? I'm the only fully trained and licensed trendsetter in all of Latte. I hope we can be friends. Do you seem here? It's really hard that way.
Why should you just turn around like
Nice
that?
power suit. You look ready to move. So active, so physical, so sweaty, so tired. Whoa, I gotta work. I was just looking at you. What? What are you doing?
Who?
You just like glitched back and forth again.
I'm not doing anything. I'm literally not even moving.
Do the thing. Do the
Top
slow walk.
dream addresses in dream towns.
Wait. Do the slow walk.
Is it doing it?
Yeah, I did it. Do you want this message in a bottle?
Yeah.
That's a Britney Spears song, ain't it?
Okay, I'm gonna send you a dream ID.
Are you gonna text it to me?
Yeah, I'm gonna send you the
Do I have
screenshot.
to go to my
And I'm,
island to do it, or can we both do it here?
I don't know. Let me. I have. Oh, my bed's big enough, so maybe.
Let's
Go lay down in my bed and see if you can go dream. I'm not sure. Yeah.
wait. Where's your out?
Oh, it's up here. I'm following you.
You have mail.
I know. I'm not telling you anything about this island. My room is to the back.
Well, let me pick up the money. No, it doesn't let me.
Oh no. Okay, see, it lets me.
Even while I'm here, that's so weird.
Alright, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Like and subscribe. Oh yeah.
That was pretty good. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.